Keep watching it, don't watch me. Well done. Watch where you're going, watch it. Oh, what's happening? Got into a gust of wind there, I think, near the door. Well done. You're doing really well. Well, there's obviously a bit of wind blowing around this side, and that makes it bump into things, so you've got to keep away from here. It'll be going through the doorway, that wind. Oh, wrong way. I think the batteries will run down in a minute. That's been going for a long time.
I pressed stop in time.
What happens is those propellers make wind themselves, because that's what keeps it in the air. But when you get near to the wall, that wind bounces around, and that's what makes it go all funny.
So it basically doesn't go.
Yeah.
It hits it.
That's why it's best to keep it in the middle of the room. You can do any more, or have you had enough? You're supposed to keep it. No. Yeah, maybe the batteries are flat now then, because it doesn't go for very long. In fact, it went for a lot longer than I expected. Well done. I'll put it back. You did. I'll put it back on charge.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.